Welcome. We're going to look at how to assemble the Gonzagarredi Hierarchy Cube. I like to begin by arranging the pieces on a flat surface. The sides have lines on them, and those lines need to be parallel to the central piece that is blank. Once we have done that, we turn the pieces over and align the pre-drilled holes. Please note that when arranging the side panels, the outermost sides do not have holes. Looking at the pieces that we will need, you will be using the brackets, screws, and the screwdriver that came with it. We now begin using the screws to fasten the brackets onto the pieces. Fasten the side pieces to the base. When you do that, notice that there will be an overhang. That is normal. Continue fastening the brackets and assembling the sides.